Hello, I'm Emma Howard and I'm joined by Dr. Jonty Heaversedge, who's an expert on men's health problems. Hello, Jonty.
Hi, Emma.
Got a simple question, but a direct one for you. What exactly is the male pill and where can I get it?
Wow, okay. Do you know, I'm not aware of there being a male pill yet available. There's been a lot of talk about male pills, certainly there have been articles in the newspapers and so on, but as far as I'm aware as a GP looking after men's health, I don't prescribe any sort of hormonal tablet for men at the moment for contraception.
And how do they strike you as a GP? How do you feel about a male pill?
Well, I think it's interesting. I mean, obviously, it's something that there's a lot of research underway in terms of developing hormonal pills to cut off sperm production. And for many years, women have been taking hormones in order to prevent ovulation for contraception. So, in many senses, it makes sense. I think what's interesting is how women will respond to the male pill, because actually, it must take really a significant degree of trust to know, if you're concerned about becoming pregnant yourself, to know that a man's taken that pill and therefore that you're safe from becoming pregnant.
Yes, it's been in the domain of women looking after their own contraception for so long.
Yeah.
It'd have to be a big shift, wouldn't there? Although a lot of women would be saying, hallelujah, about time.
Yeah.
In practice, it'll be interesting to see how well it works.
Absolutely, I think it would be a big mind shift. But actually, and the other thing always to bear in mind, I mean, I think it will be aimed at people in committed long-term relationships, because the other thing to bear in mind that obviously any form of hormonal contraception doesn't protect against sexually transmitted infections. So again, in shorter-term relationships, or if you're ever uncertain, you know, a condom's going to be part of your contraception.
Because it covers so many other things as well.
Exactly.
How far are we off having a male pill that you as a GP could prescribe, do you think? How many years away?
I have no idea how many years. There's been a lot of research going on, both into hormonal contraceptive pills and also, interestingly, into pills that prevent ejaculation, which could be taken more sort of at the last minute, or certainly would have a shorter term action. But I've only read about them just as anyone else has. I have no idea how far along the research is.
So we'll be waiting and seeing on that one. Jonty, thanks for your advice. Well, if you have a similar problem or a similar question, we hope we might have given you some help. But remember, it's always best to go and see your own doctor for medical advice. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more health questions and answers.